Having well-designed tables can make the results of your analysis a lot easier to understand. Often you'll be creating tables to go put into a PowerPoint presentation or a Word document, and it's important to make them look as professional as possible. Here's a table formatting style that I like to use. I've got a basic table up here. I've seen this plenty of times, so some would consider this a well-formatted table, but there's actually plenty more that you can do to it. The top borders are good, and using the use of bold is good, but we'll check out a couple of the new elements that we've added below. I like to use a dark header row, followed by a lighter colored second row and final row. I also like to use top and bottom borders here, and a top border above any sort of total rows. Now, when you've got a dark first row, you also want to use a lighter text so that it stands out more. Notably, we've also given the column headers, that we've made them italics, and we've indented everything from the left slightly using these indent tools here. Now on this table, we've added one more feature, which is table notes. That just involves adding a superscript 1 by editing the font of that, using Control 1 to make that superscript. And then just down here using a smaller italicized font to explain what the table note means. Here we've made part of this cell bold by just highlighting that part and clicking bold. You can explore with different colors and see how it looks. For example, we could use a dark red, and that should still probably look quite nice. And it's up to you if you just want to use elements of these tables or copy the whole design. Or improve upon it. You might think of features that make a table a lot better.